Hello my guys, this is my YouTube channel. I have something to tell you, seriously, what will help you. To be serious, that is something big people, that they have big companies, or they are the billion people and million people, they know that we do not know. And this I already discovered, and I will tell you in this short video. Let me tell you the truth. The money, that is place is money height, and the way we take the equation of money. Let me tell you, money equal to value. You understand? Money hiding problems. When people solve problem, they make money. All the people that make money in this end, it is because they are solving problem. Understand that? Yes. Jeffrey Bezos make money because people buy books online very easily. Bill Gates make money because people must use computer, and if they use computer, must use software, and that is why the software that we are using, we are running in the computer, that is what Bill Gates created. You see it. Elon Musk make money because he is owner of Twitter, and you understand how many business run on using Twitter, and you already know that he had Tesla. Tesla make motors that other companies are not making, and that is why Elon Musk is the richest man in the whole world, because he solved problem. You understand? You come to Dangote have refinery, which is than to go other countries to be buying fuel from Arab, from Egypt, America. Now he made it for Nigeria and even African countries that benefit from it. It is because he solved a problem. He make money. He have others company that create more things. You understand? And money hide others places. What are you going to tell you? Money hide in knowledge. Money hide in talent. Money hide in skill. You see, money hide what? Money hide in gifts. All those one, teachers are paying because what? He had knowledge. Yes, it's a value. You have skill, handwork. They will be paid because the handwork you have. You have talent. Footballers are paid because of talent. Musicians are performing in different events. They are investing them in even show. They are doing show. There are people are come to watch them, enjoying, get entertainment. They pay them money because they will enjoy their music. You understand? So different. You are talent. You can use your talent to make money. You can use your gifts to make money. Other pastors are preaching. They are paying them normally because they have church and people they are coming to their church, and because the talent that they have, that God give them, they still use it and still in a living. Because remember, even people say that pastor must be paid because he is the one that they get in life for the purpose for the message of God. And remember that money hiding value. This is why other people understand this equation, and we were thinking that only money is equal to job. We think that only in job, that only why we will make money. And let me tell you that if you want to know more about how monies work, I have the long video in my channel. So the link is in description. Make sure you click the link in the description. That will lead you to the longer video that will break it pieces for you to understand how money really works, the truth of money. Thank you. Bye. Make sure you subscribe. I remember, more love to you, both from family and friends and me too. Thank you. Bye.